Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm your home for quick tech fixes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's solve problems together.
I'll show you how to withdraw your money from Capital.com easily and safely. First, log in to your Capital.com account. Once you're in, click on Open Platform to access your dashboard. Now head over to the top right corner and click the Live button. From the drop-down menu, select Withdraw. You'll now see all the available withdrawal methods linked to your account, such as your bank card, bank account, Skrill, or Nitello. Simply choose the method you prefer, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and click Confirm. That's it, your withdrawal request will be processed, and you'll get your funds soon depending on your chosen payment method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy finance tutorials. Thanks for watching.